Mukombo uyitore nere asiri tukulia lero nyaraka bago gutwaregania senjera yabe ngigima na inje senjera yabe ni kumwaregania ase egeta sen kya getembe asomuro buliga isiko yabisi karibu mheshimiwa
ndio mama
somuro buliga botambe karotoko yo chaka tima tuserie tambujana alikuwa na David Ondi Mukombo goselinde ndiro ramento sendiro rarusi kwa chakira
maliza na rayoka
David Ondi Mukombo litanga game somuro buliga ni gotoko chaka twaligera linga memory yaute alias memory obwatanere ligoro yobuguma bwao.
Oh, the earliest memory is that tata igale gokore mirimo Kericho asama shamba arenge bakarukiruki head boy yani orenge in charge of all Chinyapara bali balendiza abantu nero orenge in charge
Muna monsieur supervisor ba
muna monsieur supervisor ibona arenge company ya Jamji Jamji na ale okore mirimo na otwa kirete na nyetekereta amaiso komanyanga oyo ningo tole komanga
ejo mwake kyolenge bano yo karo bono ateketa maisa ya bono gachaka
iga chietoro rero bikomanyana 1948 lakini ikarongo je korabia 1952 na linkorora 52 na linkorora nga oyo ningo tole komo oyo ntata moke oyo no mama oyo ningo ya
1952 bono kurweka tuige 1952 bono tokwira na tochanga igo karo kwa your alias memory ge minute kwe bole tumaga ya memory yiga poto chake sokonyora kumurigereri tochake nga mwaka ki omosike David Ondemu oyuro mwana kombe ndi bono David Ondemu ayiboire
ya nyimboire 1945 mutenyo gatano kitari 13 tate garenge ngakiyo omwarimu osomete paka gusin class inye akabo mwalimu
class inye lakini akabo mwalimu chinga kichiko ika class inye na benge form favor
ya rengi gendeke
na iga uborire gusigo seniga bwesomo
yanyiborire bogirango mate totebe esamanyike ntumono liosiri
na Kericho ga igandio ndi mochie tororo
tata chieto 1948 bana mwaka 48
wona karatike to bwali mwaka enda kole gasi
akakole memory tanga ni Kisi town akero musongo na lengole kuri kubwana Simba ukairira abantu Kericho okole mirimo aiga mata ali angene serious board na offices cha Simba challenge nero kairira abantu Kericho to tata akaba mukaranio nero kulika bali bakoenda Kericho
ikobona atike to bwali mu
gatiko bwali mbuli
bwana kanyole gasi ngija ko bwali
obukarani
bono koru eskuru ya ngayonye chakrete Kericho
eskuru nchakrete Jamji primary school
eyo monyane bono monyane
company ya Brookbond nkarwaro ngasompa class inye twakora matemwa andira ebire atamanyiri arukuru kwa common entrance examination ngaita ngachagusi ngagenda Itielio
common entrance class ile ngabya
inye
class inye
ndio wetu class 5 6 na form 1 ya lego cha 7 kwa enda class 5 class 6 class 7 year bono ya group form 1 na class 8 ya group form 2 eyo iye group intermediate so ngaita kuru primary ngagenda intermediate Itielio
igo CBC to kukwana igo tari koranga tari bono ya chaka
tukonya kuirorera tukonya kuirana chumagega
wana gwakorera matemwa kurunga common entrance
examination
wa chire Itielio
na chire Itielio 1956 57 na rinjete Itielio yango da matem 56 1956
ukaenda
Itielio
standard 5
standard 5 mpaka lende 8 iya iko form 2 lakini ndio try ka 8 form 1 na form 2 tikaruhusu ku primary tikairwa secondary school so ndio twakora pa class 8 ya twakora pa class 8 ngakora matemwa kape ya Kenya African preliminary examination.
Eyibone form 2.
Eyibono lero yabire ekoro kwa form 2. So from junior secondary bono.
Junior secondary bono.
Kana kara matema ya class 8 nganyora ngaita tinaita to the point yoko soa a high school. Yarenga yamayo ke region ye.
Ya school yamayo ka yenge gusi.
Kisi school
yoka. Na kero muntu na era tamane
kero muntu na era tamane anyo to kisi school yero ka enda alliance national schools kiri yarenga onke. So kantaita ngaba offered kogenda for T3 nerabono P3 teacher 3 eye chenjeti later karukwa P3
eyibone ne bwato ko bwata nangoro na P1 ndo ne byaba
P1 ne yaba form 4 eye ne mu class 8
class 8
P3 iko mu class ko myaka enda P2
umo form 4
enda P1
ono ukabofa dio kole ya P3
ngende okole P3 tata kana ateba yaya akangira nduru aso mwalimu one ndebe na ningo akere mbiyama no butambe Samuel Kibwage omweli Samuel omweli Kibwage
kaenga so minduru ba
ole ne nge teacher
nduru
akanga admit asingi chama na korete biya matemwa aya 8 and inchwa I know mokena ringi very young ngagenda nduru ngaita kurwaroro goja kisi school
igo bono igo ngwaitete enchereng entamba karagini final yoga kodra kwa so kisi school
ngaso kisi school na takiti
ibono mwaka kiyo so eta kisi school
1962 sorry
nanza jinde soko rai nyorera maiga ke ogo taenda kwa kisi school no nyara ko yara sanga ngikiagerete ngwai kagosine grade ya takera kwa kisi school kagero chiko etanduru litanganiga mangana ronza jinde kwa na distinction
na nyorete mathematics a distinction nganyore gesongo pass nganyora general subjects pass a principal no musongo
oyenge kisi school
tako ire muntu to bwa credit
the lowest the minimum grade
ata getene credit ese gesongo na lira chibwata ko so mo igwe gesongo iko eka iye kamba oi to bwata ko twarengana tira kinero bwata credit akairwa ngatigara
mwarengana tinere lakini wana sema mo gesongo
yani ele abwate a credit throughout maths a credit English a credit general subjects a credit
subject isa to mwa godre
isa to okomanda chi point echo mwarengana ni chi point lakini la kairuki school
akabera tabuga pasire nemere meje principal ya tagete kosina master ya garuki chinga gidra bona final ya karo so eta kisi school mwaka yo so eta kisi school ngaki karanga kia ukia lengenza chini kwa lenga bali ba so tororo ba iretu kwa chira nandi kwa ba miroro mwa so nandi class ya kama
bali ba chite class ke bona batanga ni 1 year
batanga ni 1 year
batanga ni 1 year ngurwani kurumaiga
oyo mwaka yo bona oyo wa chite ko yene kwa so bara ba
chite 1 year ahead
asikati abali mwa so erenete amo kisi school mbara bya ora to ko nyolete
Jimmy Angwenyi is one of them I can say very quickly.
A classmate.
John Simba, Momanyete, was my classmate. The late Absalom Moseti was my classmate. Late Professor Monyenye was my classmate. Na bange to mention but
na bagina nyara na bange bagale nande maybe bali balenge mutu yawo chinga kiechi bali ko aliko ligerelinga za chinde na bugo tagete kwikera ko chimutu
balengo muna Mheshimiwa Nyancha David finally obete school captain yaito na bange balenge abagusi
inge experience kia ese school ya kisi school nga kikialenge bono gosina mangana ya masomo mangana chikosoli mangana ya on space emyaka ikwalinge kisi school.
In kisi school I was a footballer. I loved football. All games so to say. I played hockey for the school team, I played football for the school team. I played volleyball from my house. I swam to a swimming pool. I think Mata Ariang and Kisi University. I only was in a fish pond there. We used to swim there.
It's a competition.
We did all manner of things. Discipline was very high. And for any place to succeed, whether in your establishment is all
a discipline,
there has to be discipline. Without discipline, Moguchari. No.
One is a mwaka urwete kise skuru bono mwaka kioro karabana timating argo se form for yaringi go sing gari koro kwa
ngakora ngasoma kisku from 1 to form 4 to akora matemwa I got my division 1
oyo mwaka kio
1965 to akorete matema soga February 1966 oskurigire na bakora isiri ndi kiro obuya ngakiri East African Standard. Your nation, they used to print the names of oh, they go to corner you with.
You can't get on the cassette.
I know with get school. About the background of the go to
normally Dalikro.
You
can say to Montesco to refer cassette Yamakoyo, no Italia.
Yeah, there's even one in here from 6. I went from 6 at Kiss School again.
After Form 4, Nando proceeded to
Form 5 and 6. I got 3 principals and 2 subsidies. You are required when you are 1 principal and 3 subsidies and a university. Kanyora 3 principals na 2 subsidies.
One me go qualify with
university. University.
Oyo mwaka kibono korete
young form 6 in 1967.
1967.
Yeah.
So kurwabu no ka manyago chweni university
kagenda nkali kwemeremo immediate about 2 days after.
Muna matemu ngasogete go muna matemu ngasogete
atara soka
muna iko muna kwa kodeta matemu
muna kodeta matemuga. Why? I was a school captain in Kisi School. I was a school captain. Was the head boy. Whatever language you.
Head boy
I was the head boy at Kisi High School. Abarimu respected me in a way. I remember Ekero Africa begi to cover a principal Kiss School. I remember Songo. From 6 now Songo by Boka, except Momo Africa, or Marimu Aitaka Jumbe. I can't remember his name quickly. But I just said about Mother Songo Bagantevi. Organize this strike with school captain. Do to a principal. You know what I told them? In Form 6 in the one. I want to be a principal. Yani abasongo mutageze mboga ambega iga nkoro mwabiriko nanga sengijaro mwabirika. No way. They respected me out of it. They respected me because of that.
What and net no mama principles chao chide.
Eka to akora form bakangimo ki bakangira paka Kisi Sports Club. The first time go to Amaria. Go to Goli and Abanta and book another song book. Begitaka uniform nakarong kaki. Bambegita kona ungunywa soda yani.
Sabe soda mandia bakabisa.
Bagatebi bank manager urengo musongo. Evengi algo called National and Grindlays Bank. Evengi ina ibolete Kenya Commercial Bank. Right? Ikaibola Kenya Commercial Bank na Grindlays Bank in Nairobi. Nere ange bank, government bank. Nga kiyo. Bagamatebyo, agamatebyo malete anke aso emirim. Okora matemwe. Malente chake emirim.
Goga kora kurwe sukuru nagosema
tirimboka para kutirimboka gaso emirim
kakanyo mushahara sana mushahara mutijimbo tanga
Nkaganya kabisa ngakumi.
Ona ile kacha jitaka soka jindangani.
Mshahara shilingi 730 ni chalengi. Kiwa za chinyingi.
Uno mwaka tokota mwaka 1960.
1968 na nguru mshahara January.
Mshahara mutangani.
Mshahara mutangani.
Shilingi 700.
700.
Chinyingi kabisa buna bana bara
wazo. Kiwa chinyingi man.
Oga kume town ye.
Nge kumia.
Ejibone ka seko jibeka ne birengo bya bone ke bijiba bone kana bochira abanga no ene libumia ngapi ka karo chirikana.
It's more than about 300,000.
300,000.
Yeah.
Because jinga kie jingo igwa balinga megana bakara tanga na ba shilingi bere ko sokoro sne ngombe ne
kwa ko just 30 bob alone kwa gule chieri osinibe
chikole mikabisa
chikole
ono imagine mono bwata 700 chiri 700 ngaki kwa tumike tiba za 700 chiri
nje na first persons na my parents
kwera ni okoboko wano ga kole meje miaka erenga osama tuka
I did not work for a long time. The manager proposed I go to England for a diploma in banking. Umweli oyongirete ongeteri baganduru otigiro bwalimu bojumbo kolire igao korana Federation of Kenya Employers akanyora Kenya Power and Lighting yali ku East African Power and Lighting Company. Company hiyo yatangazire ngoligiere every year yali one person for to the University of Nairobi also accounting. So he asked me, I want to propose you uchokora interview ya kwende Kenya Power. Kama they need offered kwenda Bongereza. And again akora ya Kenya Power Bongereza ne diploma uchokora. Ya Kenya Power uchokora a degree. Ebe ngina bora alikuwa endege usera koira nobo utikara mu form 6.
Ikokora imukie degree kwanza.
Kara imukie degree kwanza. Ngakaenda kora interview, they wanted one person. I was lucky.
Wakati ni bono
ngasoa Kenya Power. Those days you are either sponsored by a private company or the government to university.
So you go bone company ya sponsored wa so ile university. Bono gasoa university ke.
Nairobi University for Bachelor of Commerce.
Yeah. Iko jibona oro mwaka
1968. Mutinyu kianda.
Gona wakalireka asiemetie nyi ange
ta nane iga.
Ange nane iga. Na babu gata chiri buchitalinge onya ndikwale.
Bona lakini I came from humble ground. I have to support my parents, educate my
siblings.
Our siblings,
yeah. One was Nairobi University. Anakora ngeze chingagie chekaro chibeka tenga bona yoko nyanga ese university yoko nyamuru eta bana banguru kenyere kemo. Chingagie chokora ngina bora nyole dana ibu kwalege university ko kuruse ino go se babere go se batatu.
Twalenge 14 korugusi.
Korugusi ngima.
Usiyengima Nyamira na Kisii.
14. Igotota bande kere
aba usingum ne ine boka ba
igakere bunge no yo moyo mukere constituency no yo moyo
and jine ita about maybe and bande ba lengwa bile batatu.
Now how was the experience yes Nairobi University?
It's a different game ball. Tayere bona iga etu abwata musikania manene and into asikire bali bonse ba lengi university mutao ko Roma nyanga University I then at the university I got elected as General Secretary of Kenya Students Union. Sonu ni university ngima. Lakini the Kenyans
Kenya ngima bona
university at the university there were 3 universities under University of East Africa. Nyerere was our vice chancellor.
Nyerere president ya Tanzania.
Nyerere Kabarage Nyerere Julius Kabarage
former
Nyerere
president ya Tanzania.
Nyerere ulingi vice chancellor ya University of East Africa. Eya ulingi ya about 3 colleges. Nairobi University College, not university. Nairobi University College, Makerere na Dar es Salaam.
bona yo gachori bono tenendete secretary ya
aba Kenya bali Nairobi University. I was the Secretary General.
Abongoro ngora ngi siasa ya sere nandi ya sere lia kabere bakara kurukisi sukuru anye kwalenge kuna kwalenge captain bona nandi kwa choli rwa abongora ngi nandi kya gasugia siasa sekali kya chakiri kwa swa bono wakolire Nairobi University
ngere na Kenya Power ngakora. I worked for 3 years. I was the area accountant Nakuru, area accountant Kisumu. Ngoiga Kisumu ngaraya na arosire tigangende seito. Bagachaka town councils in Kenya, the first town councils. Nkarwaro nga apply. I was called for interview, public service. To akora was selected with the Kisi.
Oyo bono uri mwaka ki
1973.
1973 bono kwa Soile Public Service bono.
Soile Public Service na chiraiga.
Bono kwera negosi afuta bono kwa kolire mirimo chinsemo ao kwera negosi.
Ngakora bono arro mpaka after I finished my CPA, that was 1982. Na kole CPA yani. Nkabate kwa
ngogendera turi kurwabo mwanju muligereri nigo togenderete gukwana emasemo na omoske David undi mukombo oyo obenge ugosobete mujumbo mutange mabwe bunge ya South Mugirango nanga turi goika atotabinga kia South bunge kurende tokana mutimo komo keigo tokwirana tunyale kwa tokogendera he nisiko yabisi nchini ngongoro kwa ruri utoto nyaingire.